So here is the unboxing video for the PS5. As you can see right now, 8K and 4K 120Hz, and this is the box. This is how the package comes in the box. So my people in Nigeria, this is Lando. Gonna ask people that are staying in Ibadan and people that are staying in Ekpe, this na Lando. So before you go use your destiny, buy PS5, think and well. Okay, so it has two seals that would make you know that it's been unopened. So there's one in the middle and there is one from PlayStation. As you can see, it has the word valid in different orders, horizontally and vertically up there, right there. So it says play like never before. On the side, this is what you see on the side of the package. On the other side, just has a PlayStation 5, and I believe that's it. There you can see everything it has, Dolby, DTS, HDMI, Sony Interactive, and also I bought this from PlayStation Direct. Okay, so we take our knife and let's unbox this. So you drive your knife through and it should cut that, as you can see, and boom, hey, we have opened it. So once you open this, you can see how it opens up. There's another box in there. Yeah, so that's the case it came in. Then it comes with that's the case right there, and then it comes with another box that just has a PS logo on it, and has a spot here where you can open it up. So let's go ahead and open it up. So you have this, and then when you open this up, we are getting there. We are getting there. And so right on the top, you will see actually this is something that all comes out. Yes, so this is all the things that come in here. We will open this separately. Let's close that box for now. The elephant in the room, the PlayStation 5. Let's take it out. There we go. Ta-da! That's the PlayStation 5. We take this out and take this out, and it's time for the big reveal. Here is the PlayStation 5. It's huge, it's heavy. Whoa. It is heavy, and it looks nice, it looks beautiful, can't complain. Looks with top quality, well made, definitely well made. See, it's glossy on the front, matte on the side. This is underneath it with some vents. This is the back. You can see it has two USB ports, one LAN cable, one HDMI cable, a power, HDMI port, LAN port, power port, and I believe there is something here to lock and unlock the PlayStation 5. In the front, it has another USB connection. I think this is a slower one, and the ones at the back are faster, and a USB Type-C connection port. See what's in the box here. So manuals, nobody needs manuals, nobody reads manuals. Cable connector, DualSense controller comes in there. See, it has a USB Type-C connection port. DualSense controller for the PS5. So you drop it by the PS5. Then it comes with a USB C charging cable for your controller, and here HDMI cable for the very fast connection for 4K gameplay. And the last thing in here is comes with a stand, the stand for the PlayStation 5, where you can twist to reveal the screw that you used to mount it, and then close it up. So this is all what's contained in the PS5.